Hello everyone, welcome back to Ongsuman Sinha Mathematics channel. So, in this video, we are going to discuss about some solution related to the chapter right circular cylinder. The basic concept about right circular cylinder you can get from my YouTube channel, right circular cylinder. We will I am discussing about class 8 standard mensuration, class 8 standard mensuration. Chapter name is right circular cylinder. Okay, so first I am writing that as we know that the lateral surface area, if the base radius equal to r, then the lateral surface area of a right circular cylinder of height h is 2 pi RH. This is the lateral surface area, or you can say curved surface area. This is the lateral surface area, or you can say the curved surface area of that given cylinder. Next, I am writing just formula to computing the max. Next, this is the curved surface area. Next, total surface area. Total surface area should be 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square. If we take 2 pi r common, then this should be r plus h. Obviously, this is area, so the unit should be square unit, and here it should be square unit. Okay. Next, third, volume should be pi r square h cubic unit. So these things we have to remember for computing the right circular cylinder mathematics related problem. And the shape of the right circular cylinder is look like that. This is the shape. If we take a base radius, this is r, this is h. Okay, this is r, this is h. Then the total surface area is the whole consisting of these two circles together with the curved surface area, and only the curved surface area is this. Okay, and volume is total quantity that contain it here. Okay, now these are the formulas that I have earlier written. Next, we are going to learn about some exercise. So again I am following RS Agarwal. RS Agarwal math book, okay. Mensuration, right circular cylinder. So let's get started. For solving the questions of right circular cylinder or any mensuration chapter, from any mensuration, we have to remember that one thing, we have to remember that the unit conversation, that is a unit, if two units would be different, then we can't solve the math related mensuration. So the unit conversation is the first required. Now I am starting exercise 20B mathematics of RS Agarwal mathematics book. So here in the question number 1, find the volume, curved surface area, total surface area each of the cylinder whose dimensions are given. That is, base radius is given 7 centimeter. Next, height is given 50 centimeter. So base radius is 7 centimeter, height is given 50 centimeter. We have to find the volume. So what is the volume? Pi r square h, pi r square 7 square into h, h means 50. So pi means 22 by 7. The value of pi is 22 by 7. Then this equal to 7 into 7 into 50. So 350 into 22. So if we calculate over here, we are getting the result. So if we calculate here, the answer should be 7700 cubic centimeter, obviously, or centimeter cube. So this is the volume. Next, move to, so for question number 1, this is question number 1 Roman 1. Question number 1 Roman 1. All the questions are same, only the figures are different. Now here question number 2. Next moving to question number 3. It is given that wooden cylindrical pole 7 meter high. So 7 meter high, and wood weight 225 kg per meter cube. So wood weight 225 kg per meter cube. So obviously now here height is equal to 7 meter and base radius r is equal to 10 centimeter, that is 10 by 100 meter, that is 0.1 meter. So volume of the wooden pole, that's equals to pi r square h, that means 22 by 7 into r square, 0.1 into 0.1 into h means 7, 22 into 0.1 into 0.1 meter cube. So if we calculate it, we are getting 0.22 meter cube. Now weight of wood, that should be 0.22 into 225 kg. So 0.22 into, so that means 49.5 kg. That should be the answer. Next, move to another question. We are doing EX 20B of RS Agarwal. math book of class 8. Next come to question number 6. Question number 6, a closed cylindrical tank of diameter 14 centimeter, diameter that is d, that is equal to 2r, is equal to 14 meter, and the height h is equal to 5 meter, made from a sheet of metal. How much sheet of metal will be required? So this is a closed cylindrical. Since it's a closed cylindrical, so here r is equal to obviously 14 by 2, that means 7 meter, h is equal to 5 meter. So we have to find the total surface area of the cylindrical tank. So the total surface area of cylindrical tank is equal to 2 pi RH plus 2 pi r square, that means 2 pi r into r plus h, that will be the formula. Now 2 into pi means 22 by 7 into r is equal to 7, in bracket that would be 7 plus 5, that is 44 into 12. So if we multiply it, we are getting 528 meter square. 528 meter square. So the total surface, the cylindrical metal required, that's equal to 528 meter square. Okay. Next, move to another question. In question number 7, the circumference of a base of a cylinder is 88 centimeters. Its height is given. Find the volume of the cylinder, curved surface area. It will be easy. Next, move to question number 8. The lateral surface area of a cylinder of length 14 meter is 220 meter square. Find the volume of the cylinder. That's also easy. So now find the volume of the cylinder of height. The volume is given. Curved surface area we have to find. So here question number 9 I am going to solve. Question number 7, 8 you can try yourself. The volume of a cylinder of height 8 centimeters. Now h is equal to 8 centimeter. So pi r square h is equal to this, that means 22 by 7 into r square into 8, that's equal to this. Now r square is equal to 1232 into 7 by 8 into 22. Next, if we do the calculations, by 11 ones are this, next again 11 twos are, again 11 ones are, and 11 twos are, there 112, and 11 this, 11 twos are. Next by 2 56, this should be 8 7 the, so r square is equal to 7 square, so r is equal to 7. So the base radius is 7 here. Now here curved surface area we have to find. So the curved surface area is equal to 2 pi RH, that is 2 into 22 by 7 into r into h is equal to 8, so that is 44 into 8, that is 176 centimeter square. Okay, that should be the curved surface area, and the total surface area is that's equal to curved surface area plus 2 into 2 pi r square, 2 into 22/7 into r square. R square means 7 into 7, so that means 176 plus 44 into 7, or 176 plus this. Okay, so if we add this, we are getting 484 centimeter square. Extremely sorry for the mistake. This is 352 centimeter square. So this is 352. So 352 plus 308. So if we add this, 660 centimeter square. So the total, this is the total surface area. That's equal to this, and this is the curved surface area. Okay, let's move to another question. Hope you are able to understand the error. So here, next move to another question. Here the radius and the height of a cylinder are in the ratio. Question number 10. The radius and the height of a cylinder are in the ratio 7:2. So let the radius be r, height be h. So r is to h, that's equals to 7/2. If the volume of the cylinder is 8316, centimeter cube, find the total surface area of the cylinder. So volume is pi r square h, and that's equals to 8316. We have to find the total surface area of the cylinder. So from here we can write that r is equal to 7h/2. Now substituting this value over here, we are getting 22/7 into r means 7h/2 r square into 7h/2, okay, into h, that's equals to 8316. Now this should be cancelled. 11. So h cube means 8316 divided by 11 into 7 into 2. Okay. Next, if we do the calculations over here, that is, if we do 8316 by 11, this would be 756 into this is 2/7. Now divide 56 by 7, we are getting 108. That means 216. Okay, so h cube is equal to 216. So obviously h is equal to cube root of 216. That means cube root of 216, that means how much? 6. Cube root 216 is equal to 6. So h is equal to 6 centimeter obviously, and this should be r centimeter, this would be h centimeter. So h is equal to 6 centimeter obviously. So if h is equal to 6 centimeter, so r is equal to 7 into 6 by 2, r is equal to 21 centimeter. Now we have to find the curved surface area. So curved surface area, that's equals to 2 pi rh, 2 into 22 by 7 into r means 21 into h means 6, that is 44 into 18. Okay, so 792 centimeter square. Okay, and the total surface area, that's equal to CSA curved surface area plus 2 pi r square. Okay, so that means 792 plus, so this is 2772 centimeter square. Now 792 plus 2772 is 4, that is 3564 centimeter square. So that's it for this video. We will come and join from more videos related to this chapter, right circular cylinder, from class 8 syllabus. Till then, keep watching, do subscribe, and please stay with me. Thank you.